Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start the presentation, I will introduce myself. My name is Irdiansyah Abdullah, and today I will presentation of English class about inside the computer and hardware. So let's move to the first. We have a content of the presentation. First point, I will explain inside the computer the definition and some examples. Point 2, I will explain the hardware, definition of hardware, and some examples of hardware. Point 3, we have finished it. We have finished the presentation today. Next. First, what is inside the computer? In simple terms, what is inside a computer is the motherboard, processor, solid-state drive, and power supply. So, basically, they are work together to run a computer. Next. I will explain some examples of what is inside the computer. First, we have a motherboard. What is motherboard? The motherboard is the main board that functions as a distribution container for the processing unit, central unit, and memory. So, the motherboard is a container for the processor, processing central unit, and memory to they work together. Next, processor. What is processor? Definition. The processor is the main component or brain of your computer. The processor has an important function for our computer device operation. Why? Because all command starts from the processor. Like the playmaker in the soccer game or football game, it's a function as a brain of the game. And the processor is located right in the middle of the motherboard. Next, we have a solid-state drive or SSD. Solid-state drive is internal or external. I will explain it. In simple terms, solid-state drive is an internal storage area on every computer and different from a hard disk. A solid-state drive is an internal or built into the all computer while a hard disk is external, which means that you don't need to use a hard disk is not a problem unless the memory on the hard drive runs out. Next, we have a power supply. What is the use of power supply? What is the definition of power supply? I will explain it. Simply, the definition of a power supply is a component that is used to supply or provide electrical power to a computer. Basically, if your computer don't have a power supply, your computer can turn on because no electrical power to your computer. If you want computer, if you want your computer want to turn on, you need a power supply to supply the electrical power to your computer. Next, I will explain it the definition of hardware and some examples of hardware, and I will take 3 examples for today. First, we start to the definition of hardware. Hardware is all the components of a computer which can be seen with the naked eye and can be touched directly. And you can also add additional hardware if you need it. Next, what is the use of hardware? This component aim to help computer device work so that they can be used properly. It's simple. When you want to run a computer, you have to have a hardware first. Next, hard disk. What is hard disk? What is different hard disk and solid state drive? I will explain it. Simply, a hard disk is external hardware to save data. For example, if your solid-state drive is full, you can add a hard disk to store files. Next, we have a monitor. What is monitor? The monitor is a form of output from the input results on the computer, which will be in the form of a pixel display. So, simply, monitor is very important to your computer because the function is for display what your what you do in your computer. Next, we have a speaker. Speaker is a device that converts electrical signal am, amplified by an amplifier into air vibration that humans can hear as sound. Simply, speakers play an important role like monitors, but but the function of speaker is to produce sound so that humans can hear it. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much to see my presentation of English class. Thank you and have a good day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.